Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel on this absolutely beautiful day. We today are doing something slightly different. We were approached by ICO, and we now present you with the VL35ProS in the amazing olive green. So we know summer season is coming up. Everybody's going to be traveling, hitting the roads, and we are going to give you our honest opinion on this ICO fridge. And we hope you enjoy what you see.
So it was a super easy decision for us when ICO reached out and asked us if we wanted to review this fridge. Any of you that know us, we actually have a VL60 that we paid for back, how long ago was that?
2 years?
2 years we've had it?
I think so.
And it's been absolutely amazing. The VL60 is an awesome fridge for our longer trips. We were looking for something a little smaller for our day trips. Anybody that overlands knows space is a premium. So if we're just doing an overnight trip, you pretty much almost have to take the same stuff for an overnight trip that you do on one of our longer trips, but it's usually just food and provisions and stuff that's more. So having a smaller fridge for overnight trips is a huge benefit for us.
Okay, so should you decide that this is a good fridge for you, the space you will require in order to have it would be 28 by 16 by 16, and it is just shy of 50 pounds.
Okay, so I'm just going to talk a little bit about the outside construction. It's all metal construction. It's got these great little plastic bumpers on the corners to protect it, which I think is huge because I wouldn't want to see this beauty scratched up. The handles seem nice and sturdy. They've got, I think, a 2-bolt mount, a nice knurled handle for good grip. The one drawback I've found already loading it is it stays up. I don't know if I've been spoiled by the VL60s, how their handles snap back. Actually, those handles snap back on a lot of their models. But this one, that's the only thing I think I would change about that construction part of it. A cool thing that ICO has done though, is they've provided not only all the information you need, but a spare handle. Who does that? That's amazing. Tools you need to replace the handle, and more bumpers. I think it's pretty cool, actually.
That is pretty
cool. Not a lot of manufacturers do that. All right, guys, if you come down here, we've got the control panel for this little beauty, and I love it. It's clean, it's decisive. You have your battery monitor, so if it's hooked into your vehicle, it will not run your battery dead. You have your cooling up and down, very straightforward. Your max and eco mode. We always have ours on eco because we run them off the Jackery, so we'll cool them down in the house a night before, and then we'll bring them out. You have your DC power, and this I absolutely love about this fridge is it's got DC inputs on either side. That's a huge thing for when you're trying to pack. Space is at a premium, as we talked about before, but having the DC option on either side is absolutely amazing in my opinion. So right next to that is plugging in the house. That's your AC or any shore power you have. And I love this too, is a couple of USB ports. So for us, charging drones, charging camera gear while the fridge is in use, invaluable. Hey guys, I want to share one important feature of this fridge. This is absolutely amazing. Watch this. You can open it up this way, put it back down, open it up this way, or just take it completely right off. That makes it so easy to use. It's absolutely crazy. And you guys are probably saying, Walter, what kind of sorcery is this? Well, guys, it's not magic. It's just brilliant engineering.
Okay, so let's take a look inside. This fridge does come with 2 lights on either end. However, it would appear this light's not working. So obviously we will be getting in touch with ICO, and once we do that, we will let you know what the customer service is like when you have issues. On the inside lid, we do have the chart that gives you the temperatures in order to keep your product at perfect temperatures. And as you can see inside, we have our main compartment. It comes with a basket, and our side compartment. For us, this is brilliant, as Walt said, for day trips and overnights. Our longer trips, it definitely is a little bit small, but we think it'll be a perfect complement to our bigger fridge. It could hold just our beverages, or we could use it as a meat freezer. So many options, so many options.
So before the collaboration, what made us go with ICO? It was actually the C-cup compressors that run these things. They're amazing compressors. They work on pretty well. I think I read up to almost 30 degrees. We had a previous fridge that if we went on really steep inclines, which our truck is probably likely to be most of the time, you would hear the fridge struggling a bit. So that was kind of one of those things. I didn't want them to die out when we're on a trip. So the C-cup compressor is warranted for 5 years. The rest of the unit is 1. Hey guys, so not all IceCo fridges have this feature, but this one does, and it was something I didn't know I wanted until I had it. It has an app. You can control your temperature, your power on off, your eco, your max modes. It's totally convenient. Are you going to play around with your fridge all the time? Probably not, but it's great information to know while you're driving to make sure the fridge and all the electronics are still going as they're bumping around back there. Great feature, and I absolutely love it. Okay, hon, what are your final thoughts?
My final thoughts on this fridge is we haven't used it a ton. We've probably used it 2, maybe 3 times.
3 times, yeah.
But in that time, I can honestly say that it is a great fridge. We have found a few little things that we will need to talk to IceCo about, and hopefully they rectify it quite quickly, and we will definitely let you know how that goes. Why would we want a fridge instead of a cooler? Well, that's very obvious. We don't want to deal with the ice cubes, the wiener water, food safe issues. And for this particular fridge, it is a great price. It is mid-range fridge, excellent value. And if you go down below, you can hit our link and get a 12% discount. While you're there, hit that sub button, give us a like, give us a comment. What do you think, love?
Yeah, I'm actually impressed. I've always been one of those guys that bigger are better, hence the VL60 that we own. But this one has really cut down on the space that we need for just an overnight trip. So just switching out the fridges is super easy, and it makes a big difference for packing.
And we can say that it is a very efficient fridge.
Yeah, when we used it on the trip that you're seeing on the intro, we had it on the Jackery for 24 hours. That was one test we wanted to do. And it was only down to 79% on the morning of.
Yes.
So
way better than the big fridge.
it was, yeah, way better than the big fridge.
So for us, this will be an amazing fridge. It'll be a great complimentary fridge for our larger trips. And we hope you stick around and you check that out. And until then, get out there, enjoy life, and
Find your moments.
thanks for watching.